Bubble Trouble by Oakley Graham and Jeannie Poe. Bobby loves bath time, and what he loves most about bath time is bubbles. But the bubbles never last long enough for Bobby. One day, Bobby decided to add some extra bubble bath when his mom wasn't looking. He couldn't wait to get into the bathtub and play with the bubbles until his feet and fingers went wrinkly. As the bubbles began to form under the tap, Bobby giggled. The bubbles that were filling the bathtub weren't like ordinary bubbles. They were enormous. The bubbles got bigger and bigger and bigger. Soon the bubbles filled the bathtub, and then the bathroom, and then the stairs, and then the entire house and backyard. Bobby was busy thinking what to do next when he felt a strange floaty feeling in his tummy. There were too many bubbles to see, but Bobby felt as if he was riding on a roller coaster at a fair. When the bubbles finally cleared, Bobby discovered that he wasn't in the bathroom anymore. He was floating along the sidewalk, trapped inside an enormous bubble. At first, Bobby was a little bit scared, but soon he began to enjoy the floaty feeling. Bobby floated over big cities and wild oceans. He soared across dry deserts and bounced over enormous sand dunes. He whooshed over noisy jungles, waving to the monkeys down below, and soared high above giant mountains. The people that Bobby floated past could not believe their eyes. Floating around the world in a bubble was lots of fun, but there was a problem. Bobby was getting hungry. Very hungry indeed. Bobby had to find a way to get home. Then Bobby had a brilliant idea. He started to use his arms and legs to steer the giant bubble, just like his hamster steered its ball back at home. The bubble traveled back over giant mountains, over noisy jungles, across dry deserts, and over wild oceans and big cities. Bobby steered the giant bubble all the way home, through the front door, up the stairs, and into the bathroom, where it rested on a bar of soap. Luckily, Bobby's mom came into the bathroom just as the soap made the bubble pop, and she caught him in her arms. "That's enough bubble trouble out of you for one day," said Bobby's mom, giving him an enormous hug. The end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share and subscribe. Have a great day.